Alrighty, folks, I'm headed up to Sean Fat Tire Guy Thomas. Called and said he had something that I needed, so we'll see what that is. That's where we're heading right now. All right, we're turning in up here, see what he's got. Sean Fat Tire Guy Thomas. I need the Fury is what I need, but I'm sure that's not what it is. All right, folks, I'm up here at Sean Fat Tire Guy Thomas, and he said that he had something up here I needed, and looky here. Is this it?
No, that's not it. I'm sorry. Didn't.
This is not the right. This
ain't the right car here, man.
Which one is it?
I know you're a Mopar guy at heart.
Oh Lord, yeah.
But your bank account just won't allow you to be that anymore.
No, I'm with you. Yeah.
So we're going to walk out here for something that you can afford. It's a fine quality automobile.
Oh, well, let's go check it out. I'll follow you.
Just out here.
You sure it's not the Duster? How about the GTX?
Can't sell that.
No.
Which is just a satellite, but
Yeah.
What was it? Roadrunner clone wannabe.
This looks like a bunch of junk out here, Sean.
Well, I thought this was what your.
How about the Buick?
Hell, you already owe me money on that car. You own it, but you owe me money on it.
Oh, is that mine?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think, heck, this
I wrote you a check.
It's storage. Yeah, I've got 2 of them checks up on the wall in there.
Well, they're good. I got good credit. Oh, everybody in town.
Oh, if that one bounces, you'll write me another one just like it.
There you go. How about the Jeep?
The Jeep's going to be getting a 5.7 swap.
Oh, is this what we're looking at?
That's it right there.
Oh, that's beautiful. That's a Thunderchickn, man.
It's
Is that a turbo coupe? I mean, a super coupe?
I wish it was.
Oh, it's big.
302.
It is.
Yeah, it's like one owner.
Right.
Well, it was technically 2 owners, but the one guy didn't live at home.
Right.
It's low miles.
Smells like mothballs.
Yeah, well, I was trying to get the snakes out.
How many miles is on it?
120 something.
Really?
It's a local car.
Right.
We won't say her name.
Now, is this a shotgun custom?
It's got shotgun custom stuff that they put on it, but Shotgun didn't do it.
Right.
They just brought it from Jackie Jones and then bought the ground effects from Jackie and put on the car.
What's under here? Uh-oh. Look at that. That's nice.
I don't know if that's under warranty or not.
Now, is this a HO? It is HO.
Yeah, I think this thing, I could be wrong. I think, don't these have GT40 heads?
I think they do.
I don't know really what year they started that.
You think maybe some of these wires that's missing might need
Well,
it?
I think the Rats was trying to do weight reduction on this thing, is what I think they was trying to do.
Have you tried to crank it off?
I've turned it over, but it's not firing. I'd say they've cut. This right here is what I'm suspecting. There's some kind of a bunch of wires cut right in there.
Oh, boy.
Them little rascals, when they get in there, I hate fuel injection. I think.
Oh, they even eat the thing?
Yeah, one of the plug wires is off.
Y'all know we didn't have this problem back before they started putting the vegetable oil. I guess it is in the wires. Is that what they're doing? Vegetable oil now in the wires? Is that what they're doing?
Well, it's all by design. That bunch up there in Washington ain't going to be satisfied until.
But they put that. I mean, it's not like, I got them old cars sitting there. Rats never touch the wires on them, but these newer ones, they eat the rock.
I've got that 1941 Ford truck out there.
Right.
It's still got the original wires and everything. The thing cranks up and runs. It's never, never had to been rewired. Nobody butchered the wires trying to put an 8-track in it.
No, that's because I don't know. It needs some work, man. I ain't worried about the body's in good shape. The car's in good shape, but man, that wiring's going to be a mess.
Yeah, wiring, it's just, either you got plenty of black tape or you don't.
Yeah, no, that's a truth. Duct tape and baling wire.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're good to go. Did you say you'd take another check on this one?
We'll have to. I can't give you the title till the check clears.
Well, can I get the car before the check clears?
We'll have to see how much gas is in the car first.
We're gonna go in here and argue a price on this fine specimen. Like he said, if you don't like it now, just wait till you drive it. You really won't like it, right?
Yeah.
All right. Looks like I'm the proud new owner of a. What model is that anyway?
Is it a 91, 93? I don't know. I don't know Ford.
Anyway, Thunderchickn.
I can't read Ford's language.
I wanted the Mopar, but I ended up with a Thunderchickn. So we'll load this thing up and see if we can get it running. Not today.
Yeah, this. Don't forget now, after you pay me, storage starts, because you already owe me on the Buick.
You know, I thought we were friends.
Well, friends help each other, don't they?
Yeah, you're helping me out of about $20 a day. That's the kind of friends we need.